Welcome back to part 2. Ellie and Max hear some funny sounds. Can you hear them too? Oh wait, that was Ellie. Boom! She made a big stomp. Oopsie! Let's count all the sounds together. Are you ready? 1 big stomp like an elephant, 2 happy claps, and 3 super bouncy jumps. Boing, boing, boing. Look, Max is making a silly face, and Ellie is copying him. So funny. What does the monkey say? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. And what about the big elephant? Pow woo. Counting all these sounds is so much fun. And they're all so silly. Let's all laugh together. Thanks for counting with us. Don't forget to follow for part 3 to see what happens next.